That 100 orders you have been wishing for, praying for as you have launched your business. I will show you how you can actually make that first 100 orders by following the 7 steps I'm going to be sharing with you on this video. Just in case you see my face for the first time, I own a body enhancement brand, and on my first launch I made over 5 figures on my first launch. That should tell you that I know what I'm saying when I say I am going to show you how you will make your first 100 sales. Make sure you do not skip this video because every single step are relevant and are very important that you follow them one step at a time. The number 1 step you must follow to make your first 100 order is to have a helpful or useful product or service. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. If your product is not going to help anyone solve a problem, if your product is not going to be that product that people actually need or want, nobody is going to look into your product or even patronize you. Let me give you an example. I launched my business, body enhancement business. I started by selling weight gain products. Every single time I will receive order because my product was useful. My product was helping somebody. It was a product that people actually needed. Okay, I was not in a niche whereby nobody wanted the product. So if you're selling something that people don't want, or if you're giving a service that people don't need, then nobody is going to even look into your site. So it's very important that you at least sell a product or a service that somebody is going to want, or that somebody is going to need, that somebody will actually want to purchase. If you're in a niche that nobody wants to purchase, keep it in mind, nobody's going to be looking for your product, nobody's going to source your service. At least that product you want to sell or that product you're already selling, ask yourself today, is that product actually useful? Is it relevant? Is it something that someone needs, or is it something someone is going to patronize? If it's not, we might want to go through our market research all over again. But if it is, now you want to keep on watching this video, and let me tell you the next thing you need to do. The second step you must take to make your first 100 order is to build trust. Did you hear it right? You need to build trust. Trust is very important for you to be able to excel as a business owner, for you to be able to get orders as a business owner. I can't stress this enough, because if they don't trust in your product, they might think, what if I give them my money and then they don't deliver? Now put yourself in the shoe of a customer today. When you go out there, you find 2 products. I'm gonna again put myself in the shoe. So you went online and then you search up weight gain products, and then you saw my products, and then you also saw another brand. So after looking at these 2 products, you then went on to purchase from me. Why did you purchase from me even when you don't know me? You trust my product, that's why you did that, right? Yes, you believe that this product I'm purchasing over the other person's product is gonna help me. That is trust. So if you want people to patronize you, you have to build trust. People will not patronize a brand they don't trust. They will need to trust in your product that it's actually going to help them, that's actually going to solve their problem before they will buy it. The moment people trust in you, they will be so bold enough to spend £1,000, $500, $1,000 in your product because they trust in the service or product that you are selling. They believe that you will deliver that item to them once they buy from you, and at the same time they will get that cure, or they will get what they've paid for. So you need to build trust, especially as a new business, as a new brand or a new seller. It's not just you only, but actually what you sell. Nobody wants to give their money to a brand or to a product or a service they do not trust will give them that solution. Nobody is wasting money. So what can you do now as a new person that just came up today and you want to start selling? How are you going to build trust? I'm going to make a full video on how you can actually build trust as a beginner, but I'll share a few on my 3rd step, and that is get reviews. Reviews will actually build your trust. trust. Reviews will make people rely on your product. Reviews will make people you don't know, people that has never seen you, like you don't even know who is behind that brand, your reviews will make them patronize you. Reviews will make people know that, okay, this product works. At least somebody has reviewed it. At least somebody has patronized you already and you delivered to them. I'm going to bring my business again as an example, because I said weight gain supplement, butt enlargement supplement, and also weight loss supplements. Those are things I say. Now, what actually build trust or review on my own site? I discovered the product, just wanted to gain weight for myself. Okay, I was struggling to gain weight, but when I started gaining weight, I documented all of my journey from starting from 46 kilo all the way to 66 kilo. I documented my journey. And when I was documenting my journey, a lot of people were watching me, people I don't know, people I've never met. While they were watching me, they saw that I was not lying. I had reviews from my own body. Okay, they could see how skinny I was, and a few months later I was looking like this. So the moment they saw that, they started asking me, how did you gain so much weight? What did you do? And from there, I started recommending the product I used to them. Now, these people came and started buying from me. The first person that patronized me gave me review like, oh my god, it worked for me as well, the same way it worked for you. That one review took me far. It took me far, because a lot of people were like, where is the review aside your own self? And I was sharing that other person's review. They were a genuine review because it works for me, it worked for that other person, and it started working for everyone. And then that was how the trust was built. It is very important that you get as much reviews as you can. Let's say your case is not like my case. Okay, let's say you don't sell the same product, or you did not document your journey while you were using your product or when you first started. You can get reviews even from friends and families. Get genuine reviews from them. Send them your product and ask them to use it and give you genuine reviews. Another way is you can send it to those YouTubers you know, even small YouTubers, even like friends of friends, okay, like friends of your own siblings. Tell them, give out my product, let them use it and give me genuine reviews. That's how you get reviews. And reviews is one way to build trust for your business, and that's one way you can get more orders. Once people see reviews and they trust you and they're like, okay, this product seems to work, I want to like get this product. That is how you actually build reviews and build trust in your business, and that will go a long way for people to start patronizing what you say. Very important. The fourth step you need to take for you to get your first 100 orders or sales is to market your product or service on social media. Oh my god, guys, I really want to take my time to really explain to you guys how I grow my business without paying anyone, without sending any free product to anyone, without telling friends and family to buy from me, and without paying for any ads, and I was getting steady orders. What did I do differently? I market my product on social media. I was out there. Let me tell you guys a secret today. When you are about to launch your business, do not, I repeat, do not start a business because you believe you have a lot of friends that are gonna patronize you, or because you believe you have a lot of family members that are going to patronize you. That is the first way to fail. I am not even gonna lie, that's the first way you will fail if you're starting a business. Start a business with the mindset that I don't have any friends or families that's gonna patronize me. I'm just gonna go out there and start this business and let it go. Go with the mindset that I don't know anyone, I'm gonna just start this business, and that will push you to work harder on your business. That will push you to post more about your business and share more content about your business. But when you start a business with the mindset that my friend is gonna patronize me, my family members are gonna patronize me, or I have a lot of friends that will reach out to me and buy my products, that I'm just so sorry, you're gonna fail. Do you know why? One of the first people that will disgrace you when you start a business is your friends. They will not patronize you. They will not, especially when they feel, oh my god, it's too pricey. They won't patronize you. So don't go with that mindset. Go with the mindset that I am just alone in this business, and I'm gonna make it work. That is how you make sales. Going back to me, I went with that mindset that I am alone, and I was posting by myself. I didn't need anyone to do it for me. I was doing it on myself. I was my own founder, marketer. I was my own researcher, social media freelancer. I was everything that a business needed, and guess what? It worked. I used to say to people, carry your business, put it in your head. Put your business in your head. When you put your business in your head, what does it do? It prompts you to carry it everywhere. Okay, because it's your head. Your head is always gonna be with you. Your head is gonna be wherever you go, and that's the same. Put your business in your head and carry it wherever you go, and tell people about it wherever you go. That is how you grow. Post it on social media. Like, social media is the best place to grow your business. I made my first 100 orders strictly from people I do not know. These people, they all came from social media. I have never met any one of them face to face. They were patronizing me, and they keep returning back to order from me because I had useful product and I marketed online. I was my own review. Very important, guys, because I know I say useful product, so I had to put it in my head and be telling everybody about it. So again, you need to be out there if you want to make that money, and if you want to be able to get that much order for your business or service. Okay. The fifth step you must follow to get your first 100 order or sales is your pricing. Okay, I know a lot of people don't talk about this, but this play a big role. Are you pricing your product or service in the correct way? Is your price too low or is your price too high? Both plays a big role. There are a set of people out there who will rate your product based on its price. Those set of people will look at your product and be like, it's too cheap compared to your competitors. They'll be like, nah, it's too cheap. I don't think you're selling a good product. Yes, there are those set of people. And there are also those set of people who will see your product and be like, oh my God, it's too high. I am not spending that amount for that product. I can get it cheaper by just walking to the supermarket. I can get it cheaper. There are also those set of people. So this is where you need to be in the middle. You just need to make sure that your price is right, because your pricing can actually send people away from your product, especially if you are just starting. You don't want to be too low to the extent you're not making money, but at least you're making enough to cover your expenses, the cost of your product or service, and then something more to take care of yourself, but then just not extremely high. When I first started, guys, I had to work with the pricing that I know that was going to, just be there for me. Okay, what I was doing then, I was giving a lot of discounts. If you feel you are too high but you don't want to go down, always give out discount codes. Promote your discount codes to your customers via emails, via social media. If you have a website, put it on the homepage, on the landing page, on the banner, so people are aware that there are discount codes available. Because when people might come into your page, they see the pricing and then they are turned off because it's too high. But whereas you have a discount code to reduce it, but they probably won't see the discount code because you've not put it in a place where they can easily just see it. So it's quite important that your pricing is very okay. Otherwise, your price again can drive people away from patronizing your business, and that might deprive you of getting your first 100 orders. Make sure you are setting the right price for your products or services. You don't want to overcharge, and you don't want to be charging less for all the effort you're putting into your business. Okay, the 6 steps you need to follow is to not abandon your social media or website page. Very, very important. I have stressed this a lot, how important it is that you use social media to get customers. Now, do not abandon your social media page. Before I took break from my business, as I had to go for my wedding and a lot of things, guys, I make sure that every morning when I wake up, the first thing, I'm opening my social media page. Guess what I'm doing? I'm updating the story. We are open, and then I end up posting 1 or 2 things just to remember my customers that I am still here, please. I am still here. Come patronize me. Another important thing is you want to make sure that everything about your social media page is just right. That is so important, as a lot of you are forgetting that part. If you're using a website, the moment somebody click on your website, they already see what your service is about. They already know what you're selling. This is my Instagram page. You could see that I post on steady, like this is how much content I have been making for my business, because I know how important it is to keep dropping content. It's still going, guys. Do not abandon your social media accounts. Do not abandon your website. Oh my god, you want someone to click on your website and immediately know what you're selling and immediately see what they want to buy, and it's also easy for them to navigate. Oh my Jesus, I have gone to a lot of websites that want to patronize, and the moment I click on it, I'm like, which one is the product? Like, why are there so many confusing names? You don't want to do that. Your product has to be well named, and at the same time your page has to be easy to navigate, just selling what you're selling and not doing too much. You don't want your business page to look as if it's your personal page. You don't want your business website to look as if you are playing. You want to be professional, and you want to just meet with what the audience or your customer is just after. Okay, don't abandon your social media page, and don't abandon your website. All right, the 7th step you must follow for you to be able to make your first 100 order or sales is to be consistent. Hey guys, when there is consistency, then there is result. When there is no consistency, there is no result. Put that in the back of your mind. Consistency does it, guys. And to be consistent in your business means you want to be out there. You want to be sending emails. You want to be sending communications. You want to be posting. You want to be working on your product. You want to be reminding people of your item. You don't want to start a business because you want to start a business and expect the business to start getting sudden traffic. It doesn't work if you don't put in the effort. A lot of people will create Shopify page, ST page, Big Cartel, and all of the different pages in the world, but guess what? At the end of the day, they are not getting sales from those social media accounts, because they will think because you have created a website, the website will automatically be bringing you audience. No, you got to put in the effort. You got to put in the work to get audience to your page. Those websites, they don't automatically bring people to your page. If you're lucky, when somebody search up an item that you sell, it comes up on Google, then that will be automatic traffic coming to you. But you got to be active somewhere to get traffic to your website. You got to be active somewhere to get traffic to your business. You want to be active somewhere to get customers to your business. If you feel you just had to start a business because it was easy for you to start, or you had the funds to start that business, the money was there, and you're just expecting that's all you needed to do, no. You gotta be out there. If you guys want to see my business, what I do, the name of my brand is Shaped by Tovia. I sell body enhancement products. So if you're struggling to gain weight, I sell products for gaining weight. Effective herbal products. I sell butt enlargement syrup, weight loss products. Effective products is what I sell. So make sure that you do patronize me, or go have a look on my social media account just to see what I am talking about, on how important it is that you are working on your business every time. Okay, so yeah, those are the 7 steps I wanted to share on how you can get your first 100 order. I just want to say congratulations, because I know if you put these steps into work, you will be getting your first 100 orders in no time. Stick around, because there are more business videos coming up on how you can grow your business and start making orders the same way I am making orders. And at the same time, if you want to start a business but you don't know how to start or where to start, I will be making a video that will show you how you can actually start a profitable business in this year 2025. So wait on that video, it will be up next. Enjoy your evening, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and see you on my next video. Bye.